Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello, my name is Sayyid Abdul Rahman. I am student of grade 9th Ideal Indian School, Doha, Qatar. Today we are going to solve question number 5 from exercise 1.3. The chapter is number systems. So this is my 80th video, and I have completed 80 videos from class 8 and class 9. So once again in this video I request you guys to subscribe my YouTube channel, like all my videos, comment on how I can improve, and share the videos with your friends and relatives. Okay, so the question number 5 is, what can the maximum number of digits be in the repeating block of digits in decimal expansion of 1 by 17? Perform the division to check your answer. Okay, now they have given us 1 by 17, so it's a number. It's a number in the p by q form. So we have to show that how can we express it in the decimal expansion. So this is the question. So let's begin. So for showing how we can make it into decimal expansion, we have to divide it. So let's take 1 inside as it's the numerator. 1 divided by 17. Okay, so now we have 1 inside as the dividend and 17 as the divisor. Okay, then now what can we take here? So we know, so 1 is smaller than 17, so we can do the usual division as we do in like for solving any different problems, right? Just for small problems. So let's take 0 point because 1 is smaller than 17. So 0 point. Okay, now we have 10, right? So we will take one more 0 because 10 is also smaller than 17. So now we have 100. So when we have 100, what can we take? Okay, so let's check. 17 ones are 17. Okay, then what is 17 fives are? Let's check what is 17 fives are. So 7 fives are 35, 5 ones are 5, plus 3 is 8. So we have 85. And what if we get 17 into 6? I think we will get above 100. Okay, 7 6 are 42, 6 ones are 6, plus 4 is 10. Yeah, so we got above 2. So we can't take 102. So we will go with 85. Okay, now let's take 5 and subtract it with 85. Okay, borrowing system, this will be 9, this will be 0. Okay, so 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 8 is 1, and 0 is 0 as it is. Now we have 15, so we will take one more 0, 150. So this is 150 now. So let's check in which multiple can we get 150. So 17 into 8, 7 8s are 56, 8 ones are 8, plus 5 is 30. Okay, so we are getting 136, and here 17 into 9 is 7 9s are 63, 9 ones are 9, plus 6 is 15. Okay, so we are getting 53. So let's go with 136. Okay, so 8. Let's take 8 over here, and then we will subtract this 136. Okay, now we will borrow this. This will be 10, 4, and this will be 0. Okay, this both will be 0. Here. So 10 minus 6 is 4, 4 minus 3 is 1. Now we have 14, right? So when we have 14, we can add one more 0, okay? Because 14 is smaller than 17. Okay, now we have 140. So can we take 136 again? Yes, we can, right? Because 136 is smaller than 140. So let's take 8 again and subtract it. Subtract 136 by 40. Okay, so we will have 4 as the remainder. So let's just do the simple subtraction. So 10 minus 6 is 4. This will be 3, then 0, 0. So we have 4, right? Then let's add one more 0 because 4 is smaller than 17, right? So now let's search 40 in the table of 17. So what can be 17 into 2? 17, 7 2s are 14 and 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 34. So we are getting 34 when we are multiplying it with 2. What if we do 17 into 3? 7 3s are 21, 3 1s are 3 plus 2, 5. Okay, so we are getting 51. So let's go with 34. Okay, let's go with 34. Now we have 2 over here and write 34. Okay, now as the simple subtraction, so 40 minus 34 is 6. Even if you want to check, you can take this 10, you can take this 3. So 10 minus 4 is 6 and 3 minus 3 is 0. Now we have 6 as the remainder, right? So I'm going to erase this and continue. I will write all the tables of the 17, all the multiples of the 17, so that it will be easy for us to calculate it. So it will now take some time. Okay, so now I have written all the tables of 17, 1 to 10, so that it will be easier for us to calculate it. So calculate the tables. Okay, now we have 6 over here. So let's just add a 0 and now I will continue it here. 6 0. Okay, now let's check on which table do we have less than 60 or exactly 60. Okay, so 17 1 is 17, 17 2 is 34, 17 3 is 51. So we have 51 over here. So we can take 3, right? So let's take 3 and then subtract it, 51. Then we will have 9. 60 minus 51 is 9. Now we will add one more 0. Okay, so the number is growing again. Okay, now we have 90, right? So let's check. Okay, so can we take 85? Because 85 is smaller than 90, right? So let's take 85. Here I wrote 5 as per the divisible, as per the multiple, and then I will write here 85. Now let's subtract it. We get the answer as 50, right? This will be 10 and this will be 8. So 10 minus 5 is 5, 8 minus 5, 8 is 0. Okay, now we have 5. So let's add one more 0. Okay, now when we have 5, so let's check where. Okay, so can we take 34? We can take 34, right? Because 51 is greater than 50. So let's take 2 over here and then subtract it with 34. So 50 minus 34. Okay, now let's transpose it. This will be 10, this will be 4. So 10 minus 4 is 6, 4 minus 3 is 1. Now we have 16, right? So when we have 16, so 16 is smaller than 17. So we will add a 0. Okay, now it is 160. Now when we have 160, so which number can we take? So can we take 17 into 9? It's 153, right? Yes, we can take, because 153 is smaller than 160. So write the number 9 over here and subtract it with 153. So we get the answer as 7, right? The remainder as 7. Now when we have 7, let's add a 0. Now we have 70. Okay, so when we have 70, so let's check in which table can we get 70. Can we try it with 4? Because we are getting 68, right? So let's take 4 over here and subtract it with 68. Okay, now we are having the remainder as 2, right? 2. So let's add one more 0. Okay, now 2 is bigger than 17, right? Because 34 is bigger than 20 and 20 is bigger than 17. So can we take 17? Yes, of course we can take 17. So let's write 1 over here and subtract it with 17. And 20 minus 17 is very easy. It's a common sense. So we get 3. Now after getting 3, let's add one more 0. Now again, so 2 is 34 is greater than 30, so we are going to take once more. 1. Now subtract it with 17. Okay, this will be 10, this will be 2. 10 minus 7 is 3, and 2 minus 1 is 1. Now we have 130, right? If we add one more 0, now we will have 130. So let's check where can we have 130. So can we take 117, 190? Yes, we can. So right here 7 and right here 119. Okay, now let's subtract. So this will be 10, this will be 2. Okay, now 10 minus 9 is 1, and 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, now 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, so now we have 11. So can we add one more 0? Yes, we can add one more 0. And now we have 110. So 110, right? Can we take 102? Yes, we can. So let's write 6 over here and take 102. Okay, now we have 102. So this will be 10, this will be 8, this will be 0. So now we have 8, right? So if we have 8 over here, now I will continue it here. Okay, so 80. Now we can give it a 0, right? It was 8, I made it 80 with the help of 0. Now where can we get 80? So we are getting 68, smaller, right? So let's take 4 over here. Okay, then subtract it with 68. Okay, then make this 2, make this 7. Now we have 10 minus 8 is 2, and 7 minus 6 is 1. So can we take 120? Yes, we can. Now when we take 120, we have 119, right? So we have 119. 17 sevens are 119. So let's take 7. Okay, now let's take 7 and subtract it. 119. Okay. Oh my God! Wow! We are getting once more. In the starting of the question, we got 1, right? And then we used 0 point and then 0. Then we got 100. But have you noticed something? That we are getting 1 once again. So this means that this full number 0, 5, 8, 8, 2, 3, 5, 2, 9, 4, 1, 1, 7, 6, 4, 7. This full is bar, okay? Bar means the number that repeats, okay? Repeats infinitely. So this kind of big number, if it repeats, means that is this division is decimal expansion, okay? When we do division, then here we got the decimal expansion of 1 by 17, okay? So let's count how many blocks are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so we have 16 blocks with the bar. Okay, so let's write that we have 16 blocks in the answer. Okay, so we have 16 blocks in the answer, which is bar. So are you surprised by this answer? By getting the same reminder in the last and by getting 16 blocks after the decimal point? Tell me in the comment, okay? Now we will meet in our next video, inshallah. Till that, Assalamu alaikum.